In this video, I will teach you how to repair a corrupted Windows 11 operating system, or OS, on an Acer laptop without needing to back up your files, because your important files will not be deleted using this technique. This is what appears on the screen after turning on the laptop, preparing automatic repair, then diagnosing your PC, and after that, this becomes the main problem of the laptop. This is the main problem of this laptop, and the reason why the Windows 11 is corrupted. Here's the solution. When you see this screen, select Troubleshoot. Then click Reset this PC. Then click Keep My Files. Then click Local Reinstall to repair your Windows 11 operating system using the internal built-in repair system designed for Windows 11. When you see this screen, just wait for a few seconds or minutes, depending on the speed of your laptop. Then finally, when you see this screen, just select Reset and press Enter on your keyboard to begin the repair process. Now, your Windows 11 is starting to repair the operating system using the internal built-in repair system designed for Windows 11. Just wait, because the computer will often restart while the process is being conducted. And voila! The corrupted Windows 11 operating system, which will not boot up at first, is now fixed. If you think this video is helpful, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.